Long time no see.
Are you back?
Maston is now back.
For sure.
For real. I'm in the talk South Africa, but only for a short time. My friend here, I was not taking videos, so I had to go somewhere just to relax for him to come back. To start afresh. We're not starting afresh. Silverstone is now Maston sound, but it's a collabo. Yeah. Takaenda saka kuwangwati chiku tutora nezvei. Soon we are going to bring back the dollar that we used to have, like the 20. Yeah. Just because Zanzibar is
Idife. Nyika inovakwa nevene vayo.
Saka takaisa statue kudhara. Nokuti wakadada zvekutamba. Amen. Mbuya nehanda noziva statue yawe. No represent anything. So we should all respect our ancestors, culture and diversity. That's what we respect.
Kune vanoti opposite toti.
They should just fit in and enjoy the piece of the cake.
Piece of the cake. Piece rajo dori pibai.
Peace. It's a peace of mind in enjoying life in a truthful manner, in God's will. Emmanuel. God guide.
What did you so vote?
EGA is my vote. I don't vote.
Maston, what would I say? Vote ya to be Daga Maston.
I think this one not just
registration is in progress.
Oh yeah.
So I just made my mind.
Because they're going to go near you.
It's just the last vote. I will be the last one to vote in everyone.
Come sanga nunda. Mchone chigaro. Watikana nzika kuziva musangano andiko.
I just represent truth and culture.
Truth and culture, chief.
That is
that was the truth and culture.
If you ask it too much to a wise person, you end up in a business.
For Shisha.
You're not getting it. What's that?
Ism Schism.
You know the word schism?
Yes.
What does it mean?
This is participation, whatever. My isms.
They come from oppositions. If you oppose the Lord, you will be in a schism that causes schism.
Oh.
That's a normal state with no representative member which does not respect the Lord. That brings schism. So you should just represent the Lord and just vote for the nation Zimbabwe. That Zimbabwe is not for sale and you are now rebuilding the state. That is that.
But it's open for business.
Of course. I said that if you follow me back.
When?
You don't know my video.
But those younger said they are open for business. Zimbabwe wasn't open for business. There was still the late President Robert Gabriel Mugabe. That those days.
Nothing has changed. But we're just moving forward.
So forward forever and backward never.
Of course, now you're speaking.
Zimbabwe is not for sale.
It's not for sale. And it will never be for sale. Ever. Just pray that you don't get in a easy state. It's Maston is
Back with the bang. Back with Gamsana.
With a booby trap.
It's not a joke.
It's not a joke.
Maston mazwana nechimogwe. Chibaby.
I'll get married after I win.
After you win. Ipapa patika chigwina obva mato.
I saw Wedzera to win at the time.
Makutokana pakichini. Hey.
Asi hazvinchi yesterday. Mutondigira kundiona. Kwavari kutondiita kudai.
Saka utori naro zvamai manje.
I'm not making a perfect choice just because they know I'm wise. Enough.
But it's my 2 wise men. But what are 3 wise men?
Are you wise enough?
Yes, I've been wise for a long time. I've done so many things that people think I'm wise.
Do you know any wise men with dreadlocks?
Solomon.
King Solomon. Solomon was the wisest one. But you never know a signature for whom.
Those are myths. How about the present wise?
Capleton, Narcissus.
We just have to speak about what God knows, not what He knows.
Saudara kuti zuda rinewo wisdom here.
Wisdom, vision, spirit comes from Emmanuel. That is scorn. Some people don't die. They exist. They exist in heaven and on earth. No wonder why I'm not married.
So you're trying to build your heaven on earth, woman.
You'll be in a Ism Schism state if you ask too much to the king. Why is you don't know a crown?
I'm the ghetto crown king.
Where is your crown?
It's in the house.
Can I see it?
Later on I'll show you.
You want to see his crown on video. Cut. Cut! Cut the video just because I said so. I want to see the crown. If I don't see the crown,
iripo.
He's not a king.
Crown
I want to
iripo.
know why he is the king.
This is my crown. Wakapeka hate, rasta, wakapeka crown.
Is this type of a conversation a joke?
Maston, can you touch royalty? Can you touch royalty?
If I touch royalty, I will.
Unokwanisa kuchibata here unitambidzo royalty, nda kuionawo royalty. Semadira kuti crown.
Royalty is not touchable.
Right. The same as the crown yake to crown. It's not tangible.
It's a spirit for nothing.
Why are you saying for nothing?
It's just like in marine spirit, it's just nothing.
Nini manje? Pano sanje.
Wakudherera.
Ndizandiri munhu mukuru wakuseka.
Wakupfurira master.
I have to laugh just because we are in a schism state. You don't have the crowd.
Uda undiona ndakapfeka.
I want to see the crown. Don't edit it. I want to touch it.
Do you know that Queen Elizabeth requested for me to come and see her?
That's a typical lie.
The first day, the second.
That's a fib in English.
What does that mean?
It's a lie.
Do you know that Governor General wanted to see me?
No one can ever recognize you just because you do not know what is water. You're drinking what?
I'm drinking cashew.
It's better off drinking beer just because the Lord is coming soon. So who is wise? The one who drinks water or the one who drinks beer?
I'm a wise man. What's the one for that?
You will know wise men. The wise men are representing the mother nature in, and they are alive. Oh, you go.
Arufurira.
When you go and there is war, can you fight with the wiseness?
That's why the Maston is big.
He's big.
For real.
You're big for you.
For real. Mine, hang 10, just because we've got the crown on the city center, meaning that it's Ambuyane under the hang 10. I think the conversation is going a little bit out of hand. We don't have to fight on camera.
Okay.
Cut.
Usanti cut. Rama chitura.
You don't know how to be a camera.
Nah, come on.
Directed,
You ita zvauri kuita nemvura yako ndita zvandiita nefoni yangu.
Just don't respect what I'm saying. You respect what this color is.
What is this color?
Gold. You're being greedy. I drink beer, but I don't have the money. I have to drink water. So make yourself cheap on this video. Just because you didn't even buy me a drink, I'm just drinking water. People from Canada, someone with a sound. So too many cameramen. A camera with a vision of high definition. Too many pixels to watch.
Yeah.
How many cameras do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a flash.
In the Maston also. Such CEO.
Don't forget to flash when you get in the toilet, my friends. Okay.
Wakunoona chimoko?
Here, go fuck around.
Kwenda.
At the video.
Ina ndizwe chirungu.
Ayo dzima kani.
Ndidzime chiro.